a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to see you. Pig Farm, let's go! I love that. Let's go. Oh no, some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? That's the way. We're always happy to help. Light. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Tidmouth Sheds. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Well done! Just spin the wheel, that's the way! Great! That was off the rails! Random ducks! Let's go! Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Great! That's perfect. That's perfect. Great. Thanks a lot for your help. Go to the big bridge. I love that. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was so close. Let's try again. Again! Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the... Excellent! Absolutely! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. The Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. Great! Just slice or tap it to open. Which way do you want to go? Right leads. Tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts. The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Excellent! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. That's perfect! I love that! Set the town square. The Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. Leads to nearby. Rusted bolts. The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Well done! Whoa! Good job! Thanks for helping out!